Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5 and now the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 have a built-in temperature sensor that isn't really used for much, but a new app will change that. A bulk of the Galaxy Watch 6 hardware is already out in the open, revealing the presence of largely the same array of sensors as the Galaxy Watch 5 series, including the temperature sensor. Samsung has now confirmed that this sensor would be better utilized on the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 series and the existing crop of Watch 5 smartwatches using a new app called ThermoCheck, Life Temperature. According to Samsung, the ThermoCheck app allows users to check the temperature of their surroundings without a need for physical contact. The South Korean firm says that apart from measuring their skin temperature, users can also check the temperature of the food they're about to eat and the temperature of the water they're about to swim in to stay better informed of their surroundings. While the Galaxy Watch 5 series can measure skin temperature, Samsung may have added one more temperature sensor to its upcoming smartwatches, making it easier to measure the temperature of surroundings and objects. But if Samsung means using the same temperature sensor on the back of the smartwatches, it will be a hassle to remove them from the wrist, check the temperature, and wear it again. The Watch 6 and the Watch 6 Classic are expected to bring slightly bigger screens, thinner bezels, a marginally faster processor, more RAM, and improved fitness tracking. The Watch 6 Classic reportedly features a thinner rotating bezel than the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The rotating part of the bezel is reportedly made using stainless steel. The 43mm version of the Watch 6 Classic is said to feature a 1.31-inch-old screen with 432 by 432 pixels resolution and 330 ppi, similar to the smaller Watch 6. The 47mm version of the Classic reportedly sports a 1.47-inch-old screen with 480 by 480 pixels resolution and 372 ppi pixel density. Both upcoming smartwatches are said to be protected using sapphire glass on their screens. The report claims that both watches are made using aluminum and have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance up to 5 ATM and a military standard 810G rating for drop and shock resistance. The Galaxy Watch 6 will be available in graphite gold and silver colors, while the Watch 6 Classic will be sold in black and silver colors. There's not much time left for the upcoming lineup, so stay tuned to the channel for more Galaxy updates, and if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.